Hey everybody, we just got back. Guess what? Beautiful day here. Southeast Virginia, raining his butt off. But that's okay. Got my daughter Ariel. She's gonna help me pull this skin tight on the elevator. Remember our last episode, we put it around the end.
Here till you finish that.
Just got back from fellowship. Talked about caring. That was the message today, about caring about God's creation, caring about each other, and not caring about stuff that you don't need to be caring about. But all our cares on Jesus. That's the main message, I think. All right, ready, Ariel? Here we go. Put way over. All right, now pull your end towards you. Okay, just hold it tight for a minute while I get this straight. And then I'll come down here and help you out. I'm starting to get the hang of this a little bit. Okay, stay still for a minute.
Do I want to touch this? Ooh, Dad, I don't have gloves on. I'm touching it.
There's no glue down there yet, you're okay.
What? And why do you have this here?
Okay. You're in the middle now. Kind of do like this. You know, you're pushing the framework away from you so it gets tight. See, we put some underneath, and I'm going to put this on top. And that's going to soak in through the top. A little messy. That's pretty good. I'm going to take that and tighten it up. I'm going to dry it off and squeegee that glue through there. Get all the air bubbles out. All right.
Am I done?
Okay. We'll let that dry, then we'll come back, flip this back. And this is the rear of the elevator here, the tail feather. We're going to glue to that, so we'll let this dry about 15 minutes. Good?
I don't know. I'm okay.
These blue ones? I can only do a couple feet at a time on this. I think I'm not gonna be able to go all the way across. Stuff dries too quick. Right there. Right. Oh. What you're gonna do is hold the fabric and like push that board inside back. You know what I mean?
I know.
Okay, here we go. Now,
Not that
I'm gonna put a little
incompetent.
glue on top. It'll soak into this way. Join the glue that's underneath.
You put actual glue underneath this one?
I put glue on the wood before I put the fabric. Just going right there.
You showed me the other time it wasn't glue. I knew there was glue on my fingers.
What are we doing? Okay, keep holding it down. Fabric cut. It's not dry by far. See, with the plane, so. Fine. tight. Push it out of the way some. Tight. That's it. Right there this time. Keep going. Stay on it. Slide, isn't it? I need your fingernail polish a little bit.
Worse. I don't ever want to hear you complain about me painting my nails in the kitchen again.
Well, we're not in the kitchen now.
Yeah, but these fumes are worse.
I don't think so.
Nail polish doesn't even faze me like that. It's just a bad smell. These are like fumes.
Here's the rag right quick. Put this one there. Got a little bunching right here at the end. Can't help that though. There, hold, that's pretty snug. I'll be able to work with that.
What does the RS-15 stand for?
Hmm?
So what does the RS-15 stand for?
Raw stock number 15 is the particular shape of this piece of wood. I get the 1.25" by 3/8 on one end, down to 3/16 on this end. It's a little piece of tapered wood. This is RS-17, this is RS-8 or something. I mean, every different size stick. I don't remember all the different sticks. They're down below now on the counter.
Yeah.
Each one have different numbers to identify its cross section. Thank you.
My side looks better.
Hmm?
I said my side looks better.
Yeah, I got a big bubble right here.
Okay, you want to mash it down?
All right, so we're gonna let it dry, flip it over, repeat the process, wrap it around the backside, and then come in and glue the ribs. Remember I pre-soaked them with glue yesterday. And we'll come back and put a coat on the outside, melt it in, and then we'll iron all these creases out the best we can. Tuck the ends in all around and wrap, you know, the ends and all that. We'll be done with the elevator. So that's 2 control surfaces. Probably start on vertical stabilizer or horizontal stabilizer next. Anyway, you get the gist of it. Hope you have a great evening. Don't forget, keep looking up. That's where he's coming from. Take care.